Hey there, it's Michael LaFido, author of the book Luxury Listing Specialist and recently released Secret to Top Luxury Agents. Check it out, secrettotopluxuryagents.com, or get your free book by going to freeluxurybook.com. In this video, we're going to talk to you about the importance of your network as an agent, how you can articulate that to buyers and sellers to differentiate yourself, to get buyers to sign in at your open houses, to get buyers to agree to buyer agency agreement and potentially pay you to represent them. It comes down to value. You got to bring more value to the table. A couple stories. Recently, I just sold a home in my hometown. It was one of the top 10 highest sales ever in this town. It was previously listed with me. The seller was, I don't know if he was going to relist with me in a couple months or go with somebody else, but I stayed in communication with them. I told him I'm still going to try to get your home sold. And so when a buyer had come through another listing of mine, I let them know about this off-market opportunity. Boom, we put a deal together. I got the listing, got it sold, and it was a win-win. And I got more market, more exposure in the market, etc. Additionally, I just had an open house at a $4.3 million listing. 8 couples came through. 2 or 3, I don't know if they were represented, but they were definitely real buyers. One guy was going to build a $9 million home, brought value to them. We'll continue to follow up with them. Again, hopefully we'll get some buyers out of the deal if they don't buy that property. So again, bring more value to the table so that buyers will cheerfully work with you. They'll sign a buyer's agency agreement and potentially pay you if, again, you bring more value to the table than the other agent. I had something that happened to me never before. At that $4.3 million listing, I had a buyer come through. I was talking to somebody else, saw it at the corner of my eye, somebody came through, and then I couldn't find them. I was worried for security. Did I go upstairs? Anyway, she goes, "Hey, I saw your sign. I've seen your sign all over the place. My husband and I have been working with an agent for 3 years. I have a son that's got special needs, and we're looking up to $3 million, and that agent is just sending us random properties. Do you have access to off-market properties?" Boom, we had a great conversation. I got her on my search. We're going to be helping them look up to $3 million, and it's because bring more value. Remember, people care about what's in it for them, and if you can bring something in it for them, they'll cheerfully work with you. Michael LaFido, if you're getting value from this video or other videos, leave us a like, leave us a review. Again, check out Secrets of Top Luxury Agents, 26 chapters, 300 pages of pure gold, bestseller. Take care.